And here we are, still Sunday. Sunday noon. I said, okay, Lisa wanted to go out. I said, okay, let's go for a walk, quick walk, 20 minutes, half an hour. And then in the evening, we will go for the third one. It's sunny, but I think that you can see it's windy. Yeah. So in the morning we met first Thor and then Nar, and yeah. You know, this week I was talking about several incidents, and who caused another one? Yeah, this one. You know, at first everything was okay. The door came, they sniffed each other. Lisa even let him sniff her butt, you know. They got treats. Lisa was gorging herself, courtesy of Thor's owner. Then Nar came, you know, all three were given treats. And then, you know, I was, oh yeah, you can see the wind. I threw Thor several times a treat. And the last one, he missed it, and you know, it fell. It fell behind him, so he couldn't see. Nimamo. And you know, it was the last one because every other treat was given away. So I went there to point, yeah, to point the treat to Thor. But of course, at the same, immediately, you know, at the same time as Thor, Lisa also noticed that treat. She was on leash, but she was, you know, basically at that time looking at Nar. You know, they both saw that treat on the ground, rushed towards, and of course then this one was angry and jumped on Thor. So basically she subdued him. She didn't bite him or anything, you know, just, it's mine. Of course, there it was loud for like 5 seconds. But yeah, for one lousy treat, she has to go and dog handle a dog that is like 3 times smaller than she is. And this has happened now twice with Thor. The first time it was, well, the third time. Twice was because of the foot, and one time was because Thor was running towards TJ, and Lisa didn't like that. And now we will meet. Whoa. Strong wind. And now we will need several months before Thor will be comfortable once again around this one. And at the same time she will want treats. Okay, number 2. Okay, we will end for today.